Hello guys, welcome back to Hydroneer. Yep, I am flying right now. There was an update with the creative release, and at the beginning of this episode I went over the different creative items, and I went straight into our Let's Play right after that creative mode, but I decided to split that up, so there is a separate video going over all of the creative items. And we had some shenanigans happening towards the end, but let's get back and jump straight into our Let's Play world. Alright, so that was creative mode. This is our Let's Play world. Getting right back into it, we have a ginormous mess over here. I have done a little bit of designing and kind of brainstorming and thinking of how I want to wire up all of these, and I think I have come up with a way to do it. I had a subscriber comment in one of the videos saying that I should put one of these filters in before every big machine, and I don't quite know what the bonus of filtering the water into the machine. I mean, maybe that it just takes it a long time for it to break down, but I want to be able to put the pressure and the filter probably on these harvesters as well, because these are gonna die and they're at a spot where I can't really see them very well. So unfortunately that means we're probably going to be tearing out a lot of this piping that we did in the last episode. That seems to be a common theme. We do a whole bunch of work, get things working, and then we tear it apart. That's part of the fun of the game, I think, is designing something, making it a little bit more efficient. Yeah, so I have one there, I have one here. All right, so this line right here, the filter and the power, I am gonna run them into the conveyor belts. I don't need the filter on this one though, now that I'm thinking about it. So I might just place this filter over here just for now. Yeah, so I'll walk through how I'm going to wire up the first section here. Alright, so the design that I'm going for is going to be super nice because I will only need one durability to power that'll affect all of these machines right here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab two of these. Alright, so with this design, unfortunately we're probably going to have to move our reactors a little bit, or I will just wire it a little bit differently when we get everything in place. Alright, but we are going to have our main control on this. Why is this being so weird? Alright, there we go. So we're gonna have our custom input right here. And if I go ahead, if I put in a 30, that 30 is gonna be displayed on here. And then this durability reader is going to read whatever's in the filter. And when the A and B equal 30, so when this side equals 30, it's gonna shoot the power along this middle side. This is where all of our machines are going to connect up. Alright, back to the durability. Let's go ahead and we're going to place one more right there. Now, I don't know if I have any T wire pieces, so I will be back when I have grabbed a couple of those. Alright, so I'm back. I have a couple of these T pieces now. What we're going to do is go ahead and wire up this top bit. I need some better stairs. I'm jumping all over the place right now. An angle piece right there, and then the last spanner hurling unit. So yeah, that'll work right there. Get another T-piece right there, and hopefully you're able to see how this is being structured and put together. Alright, but our water's going to come in right here. The water's going to now pass through the filter, through the power thing, into these machines. And then the durability reader, once again, since the power's coming in on this side, this filter is going to be the first one to break. So, that being said, I should have no problems when this one breaks. It's going to hit 30, and it's going to match this side, which is going to send the input up over here, and hopefully launch a spanner down into here, into this one, and then straight across over into here. Alright, so let's see if I can reach some of those pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna need quite a few more pieces. But, so since I showed you the first one, I will go ahead and get the rest of this wired up real quick, and I'll be back when I have this top part done. Alright, so I got that side hooked up. There's the top. This should all be in place and done. Let's go ahead, if I just place that there, hope I can jump up here and kind of show it a little bit. It's that same thing, just looped over, where all the lines are connected through this one that runs along the top. So I don't have any spanners in there right now, but that'll be for the future. It's gonna take a little while to fill all those up. Let's go ahead and sleep so you can see what I'm doing. All right, but we got all the machines powered up. I'm gonna go ahead and probably do this same design. I might need to do it kind of upside down, but right here. So I needed my pickaxe, and this is probably the first time that we're going to be digging underground for a build. And it's kind of unfortunate that it's taken this long, but we're gonna clear out a decent area over here, and I'll be back. All right, so we're moving everything out of the way, getting ready. I actually might need to go back to our first plot and get a little bit more money before I continue. All right, well, I will go see how many I can build. I only need like 60,000, I think, so that shouldn't be too long. I'll be right back. All right, I'm just sleeping through the night, and we are back. I have my filters, got enough to get the 2 power boosters. All right, so we are going to need power. Let's see, I don't know if this is gonna work now that I have these in place, because over here I have power coming out the bottom, and then the rest of it is on the top. All right, what I might have to do is angle it down like this, and then it's not gonna be right up next to the machine, but now I can have the power boosters coming in. Let's see, which way do I want it? I think I want to do the power out that way. All right, it'll all come together, I promise. All right, clear out a little bit more. Let's go ahead and throw these in there real quick. All right, so we're gonna have the power run through the back. We're probably gonna connect it to this line right here. We'll just run it. We'll just continue that line straight across. All right, another day has passed of making money, and I have enough of these. But I'm gonna place one right here, and then the other one right here, and I'll be able to easily put the tool bags into each of those. So if I come over here, grab my other durability reader, then I can place this guy right there, and then we are going to continue this same system right here, just upside down, except the keypad part. So I'll get that set up and I'll be back. Gotta clear out quite a bit more dirt. All right, I am back. This is what I have come up with. I'm pretty sure this is going to work. I have the same system where the durability reader is facing this first filter right here, because that is going to be the first one that is going to break. I have it running into this compare thing again, and then when this side, I need to put in 30. So when the durability on this filter gets down to 30, once again, it's going to run the power along, and hopefully these spanners will be able to shoot the spanner hurling unit. Hopefully you know what I mean. They're going to shoot the wrenches into these. So I think that's going to work. So now what we have to do, I got another filter because I pulled it off of right here. So what I need to do now is wire all of this up, which is going to be a little tricky, I think. Hopefully not too bad. I will temporarily just get these out of the way. Alright, so now we can see what we're doing a little bit better. Okay, so that's powered up. Now I need to do the same for this top row. Alright, just resetting the game. I went to sleep. Alright, that feels a little bit better already. So we have our filter and our powered system going into the harvesters. I don't have any way to repair the harvesters. So that is an issue. Alright, well, I guess for now, that'll be something that we can just manually come back here and repair them. Alright, so doing a little bit more messing around, I put a T in right here, and I'm running the wires down quite a bit and coming up over here. So I think this should work. They should spit across, and hopefully that's gonna repair the harvesters. Because now I need to figure out how I'm gonna wire up the pipes. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a spaghetti mess, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so a little more progress has been made. I pushed this out one more block, and I added in another powered guy, another power filter. So now there are 4 in a line right here. And the other thing I'm gonna do is I need to flip all of these around this way. Alright, because I will be able to run the pipe from over here down on this side in front. Just flipping all of these around. Let's see if I can reach back there. Yep. And then this one is gonna run up, and then we are gonna connect it. Let's see, if I run this one over, then we're gonna need 2 more angle pieces. All right, so this is definitely looking like spaghetti now. All right, put that last one in place. So now we have our water source coming in from this side. It's being fed through the pipe. This filter is still the first one in line so it's gonna break faster because it is the first one in line. So that is fine. We ran the wires off a T way down underneath all of those pipes up into the hurling units up here. It is getting pretty bulky now. This is taking quite a while to organize everything. So we're gonna do a little bit of work on our reactor situation. I really like them in this spot right here, but now that I have this keypad here, which I guess I don't ever need to interact with this one either, because I could put it like inside the concrete right here. All the work of getting it all put together. Alright, so did a little bit of work. We're doing a little bit of shenanigans on our wire. It's definitely a mess now. But our wire's coming over here. This one's gonna be exposed for now. Guess I could move that out of the way. Yeah, we have the line coming in under here. We've got our keypad, both the keypads in, and this one just snakes in the block and then out and around. I don't think I will never need access to this, but now I can see it. It's there, and that's okay. So now I can easily put these reactors back. Yeah, that'll work. So now I can flip this around. Alright, well that one's at least hooked up, so this can power over here. What I could do is actually bury the pipes in the ground like this. So I'm pretty sure I cannot put a pipe. And I might be able to. That might work right there. And then we'll just do the same. Oh, I launched it. I saw that out of the corner of my eye. Alright, let's get our pickaxe. I need to dig out a little bit of space down here, because we are going to connect up our reactors to this line over here. Like, I'm definitely making this hard on myself, but that's part of the fun. Alright, so that line is hooked up. Got a little bit more shenanigans happening over here. hopefully that works. So now I need to get all the power in place. All right, with this last one in place, oh, I just had it. Come on. All right, our reactors are hooked up again. I ran the water pipe down underneath. I just got the power from, oh, let's see, I need to fix that one right there. I just put this one the wrong way. All right, there we go. All right. Yep, so we got the power branching off from down here up into the reactors and then along the back. So that should all be working now. All right, so that is looking pretty good there. I now have the control panel off to the side, not in the way. All right, now I'm gonna take a couple of minutes, clean up our area. See, I got this extra cart. I'm gonna load up all of this stuff in the back, get everything cleaned up, do a little bit of decoration, and yeah, we'll be back. It's probably gonna take me quite a while, so we'll see. All right, so I added stairs, made it easier to get up in here, and I added the tool bags into all of these. I need a lot of tool bags. Each set of 4 right here is 16. So right here, I need 48 tool bags just to fill up this side. It is crazy. It was so many. Then over here, I went ahead and I filled the rest of this in with concrete. See, I got random tool bags all over the place right now. But I encased all of this in concrete so it's a little easier to see and move around if I have to. I grabbed some of these windows so I could walk across or maybe cover up this half of the hole over here so I'll be able to see. I covered this area over here. What I wanted to do is place some windows underneath these guys, just in case if I fell through. I don't really want to get stuck down here. So I think that will work right there. And then, yeah, I'm not quite sure what to do with the rest of these. So maybe for now, I'll just throw them in right here. So I think we can go ahead and give this our first test run. Probably going to be extremely loud. So I'm going to stand over here. Hopefully it's not too loud. We'll wait until the dirt pops out and then we'll run over. I guess I don't know if I need to run over there, but I just realized the only problem with having my display board under here is I can't see the durability of the filter right here. So that's a little annoying, but everything looks like it is working just fine. Alright, well, am I seeing sparks? Oh, I do have sparks over here. That's interesting. I wonder why we got sparks coming in over here. I didn't think these machines would break very quick. We'll let those filter through before we turn it off again. Alright, there we go. Alright, so both of these are... we are at 7,004. So nothing special, but it is a start. But we are going to call it there for the episode. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Please leave a comment if you have any critiques or something that you want me to do. It's like, as I said earlier, one of the subscribers said that I should put these filters in there, and I did, and I'm pretty sure it's helping me out a lot. And yeah, thank you very much for leaving that comment, and thank you for watching. We will catch you in the next one. See ya.